My name is Andrew Sorrell with RDC Home Services, born and raised right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I started my business in 2000 and have been blessing homeowners ever since.
This is Andrew Sorrell. We've known each other 25 years.
I met Ida Terbet through another realtor, and ever since then, she's seen that I was doing good work, providing a good service to her clients, trustworthy, and everything just worked out from there.
He is the best contractor. When I go to list a house, he does everything from countertops, painting, carpet, structural work, anything. I just love him.
She just started calling me, and every time somebody would mess up on other services, she would just scoop me right up in there to, hey Andre, do you do this? Well, you ought to try it. So I started adding services on from there, and I grew my company from a carpet cleaning company to home services, repairs, up until now that we do kitchen and bath remodeling.
He does everything. Small jobs, big jobs, and that's what you need. And also when you call, he answers the phone.
I think I got into kitchen and bath remodeling because when you provide a good service to homeowners and other services that need to be done in their homes, you either start to get intrigued about it, to want to learn about it, and when you start to do those services, you started to provide a good service, and you start doing the business, and you just do a good job at it. We've been in business since 2000, and we do remodeling, flooring, and a host of other services. We're here to stay, we're not going anywhere. Blessed to be on Ida's team after all these years. If you can trust Ida Terbet with your listings, you can trust us to come inside of your home to provide a great service. You can find us on all social media platforms, our website, rdchomeservices.com, or you can just pick up the phone and call us at 919-369-5452. I look forward to working in your home soon.
We can't do it without him.